Greetings, my friends, and welcome to a Bummy Christmas review. Let us talk about all the Rankin Bass stop-motion Christmas stories. There's this world where everybody seems to have cold, dead puppet eyes. Most of the males have lipstick on their mouths. And half the people seem to have lines around their jaws. To talk about the stories that comes out of this world is kind of redundant because, well, a lot of them have the same story. Somebody doesn't fit in. They try to journey someplace where they feel they belong. They sing. They come across a mean obstacle that in the end is probably going to be a nice obstacle. And they go right back to where they started because the original place where they came from decided to stop being dicks. Aside from that, what can I say about the Rankin Bass stop-motion stories?
They're scary as hell! They don't look alive, or it looks like they used to be alive, but then somebody took them and turned them into dead puppet people, and they're like,
I used to be alive, but now I'm moving. My eyes never blink, and they're totally staring in one direction. It's like I have two lazy eyes.
that Bing Crosby and Jay Leno chin thing looks like it's gonna eat me! Santa Claus has raisins for pupils! The snowman has no feet, so how does he move? Is it like a snake? It slithers? The snowman's a snake! That's evil! And they all seem to move really fast and then stand still at really awkward moments! Why do people watch this every Christmas? It's scary! Freddy Krueger is more cuddly than any of those things! I don't know why you watch it, but you do! On the plus side, I guess your nightmares are a lot more creative because of it!
So I can't argue with the fact that you enjoy these films and you watch them every single Christmas season.
But excuse me if I turn off the TV set and hide under my blankets! Frosty slithers!
This is Chittery Bum saying,
Don't go away, Christmas! I want to stay in this room!